because I'm going far away. Far away! I like to think I'll be returning when I can to the greatest of the loser, and to sorry man Bernard. And now when Jimmy came back home, he was surprised that they were gone. He asked me all the details of the drugs that we were on.
In the last 7 days, I've shot Irish folk music,
You're cheating hard.
mariachi fusion, some really cool funky jazz stuff,
Why still I can't deny.
and I even shot a couple of really cool Texas music artists. I'm Robert Maxfield. I'm a concert photographer in Dallas, Fort Worth, Texas, and welcome to Max Concert Photography, where we talk about everything concert photography related. And the topic of this video is do not limit yourself at all. I see a lot of people recommend going out, starting small, photographing cover bands, go out and go to bars and clubs and make friends with bands and stuff like that. And if that's your thing, that's fine. I'm not a bar person. I don't want to be in a bar. But in the last Saturday to last Saturday, I shot 11 bands. And I shot 11 bands that had an audience of anywhere from 5 people to 5,000 people. 5,000 people. This is about an hour or two into the day, and it started out with nothing but service trucks and cars and vendors at the first part, and then it ended up with a ton of people there to see Aaron Watson. So you figure you go from 0 to 5,000 plus, and you see 11 bands. Guess what the cost of me seeing and shooting those 11 bands was? 0, nada. Didn't pay a dime. Nothing. So it's family friendly. It's safe. You can bring your dog. I got a cat, right? You can bring your cat. It won't cost you an arm and a leg. It might not be your type of music, but it will give you the stuff that you need to fill out and make a music portfolio. This photograph was not easy to take because the background has a lot of blowing leaves, so the focusing was bare. Here's my settings for taking this photograph. Now, I will tell you this. Before I took any of the photographs, I either contacted the band itself or I contacted the venue to make sure I had written permission. And in one case, I needed a media credential set to be able to do it. So do the proper things you have to do like you would always. You might not be into mariachi music, but they make some really pretty cool photographs. Take a look at these. This is from the first photograph. Check out the ISO, the shutter speed, and the f-stop on this photograph. The next shot is from the Peterson brothers, a really cool kind of funky jazz kind of group. It was a really neat show. Hey, look, no pink and blue funky lights. Isn't that great? It's nice and easy to deal with. Okay, I kind of made a little joke on that last one, but you know, shooting daylight is very, very difficult. In dark clubs, you're going to have to deal with high ISOs, supposedly. You're going to have to deal with pink and blue lights, all kinds of things like that. In daylight shows at festivals and things like this, you have to deal with harsh light conditions. A lot of heavy shadows, a lot of heavy harsh light. You can have overcast 1 minute. You can have bright sun the next. In fact, I've got a little bit of a sunburn from this whole last weekend, but it's a whole different animal. And in my opinion, I think it's tougher to shoot it than it is inside of a club, a dark club. This shot is of Dustin Perkins and the Dustin Perkins Band, shot at Louisville at St. Patty's Day. In this shot, you got the whole band, and you can see the harsh shadows and the harsh light. This is what makes this type of shooting difficult but rewarding. So now I'm going to show you a little bit of samples from all 11 bands, if I can get them all together, and let you look and see for yourself that you can photograph things without having to be in clubs, without having to be in the dark, without that kind of problems. You can be safe, and you can do it on almost a zero budget. Now, granted, you still have to do the things like, send out for media passes. You still have to talk to people. Some places you'll need a media pass, some places you won't. You still got to do all the things you need to do.